So guys, here you can see one more enemy came out the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling you about the getting the user input with input function in Python. So yeah, I am telling you about it, so see the video start to end, and please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so that I don't miss our any future latest videos about the Python. So let's move computer screen and let's know about in the Python how to getting the user input with input function. So now let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the getting the user input with input function in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So let's get started without wasting any time, and let's know about how to get the user input with input function in Python. The input function. The input function in Python is used to take the input from the user. It prompts the user to enter the data, and the data entered is stored as a string. This is useful when you need to interact with user and get the values that can be processed in your code. For example, there is one example. So it is a one syntax, okay? Here you can see it. And now let me give you the example code. There is one example code. First of all, let me show you what is this example code just telling you. Let me show you. Let me copy it. I've already made the file. Let me make the file of index.py. When I make the file of index.py, I am opening my document and I'm making the file here. Now, let me paste this code. First of all, in the first line, we asking in the second line of code, we are asking the user for their name, and in the fifth line of the with the print function, I am saying displaying a personalized greeting. Let me show you. First of all, here say me enter your name. When I write enter our name, so it give me hello Rayyan, welcome to the program. Here you can see it. Why it is giving me like that? Because in the print function, first of all I write like hello. If you want to write hi, so you will write it. Then I say double commas, then I end my double comma, then I start my one new double commas, and here I write like plus name, and then I say plus our name variable, then I say plus with welcome to the program. Okay, then when I save it, then it give me I enter your name. When I write Rayyan, so it give me hi Rayyan, welcome to the program of the Olympics of programming and programming. And when I say it, and now when I save it and run it, should give me enter your name. And when I write my name, like my name is like Rayyan, so it give me hi Rayyan, welcome to the program of Olympics of programming, like that. If I say, and then when I save it and run it, and when I say one more time, my name is like John Doe, so it's saying me hi John Doe, welcome to the program of Olympics of programming. And like I want to insert one more, and if I say now, and if I say family input, how many brothers you have, and then I write here with, then plus family plus, then end it. Now save it and run it. So give me enter your name. When I write Rayyan, so it is saying me how many brother you have. If I say like 1, so give me hi Rayyan with one welcome to the program. It's saying me one here you can see it give me hi Rayyan with one welcome to the program of Olympics. Here you can see like that it give me. And if I write here like this and space it, now here I have said, now save it and run it. So give me enter your name. When I say my name is Rayyan, and now it's saying me how many brother you have. If I say one brother, you write one brother, okay? Then it's saying me hi Rayyan with one brother, welcome to the program Olympics of programming. Here you can see it like that. You can do it, or you can add some new things also. In this example, First, the input function displays the prompt. Enter your name to the user. Number 2, whatever the user types is saved in the name variable as a string. Number 3, finally we print as greeting using the entire name. Okay, so this code example will tell us that and if you want to add to new things like family, how many brother you have, then if I say like sisters, sis equals to input, and if I write how many sisters you have, then it say me father, then I'm writing like in the input like I'm writing like Michael, sorry, what is your father name? Now that's it. Or there, here I writing like what is your mother name? Sorry, here I like by the mistake I write like names. Okay, but anyways, now when we do like this, so now what we can do now, we write here double commas, and then here are like I plus, then sis, and then plus, then double commas, and then here I'm writing like another time I'm writing double commas and then plus, then here I'm writing father, then plus, then double commas, end it. So then one more time double commas, and then here I am writing like plus, and then here I am writing like mother, then plus, then double commas, end. So now when our work is done, now save it, and now save it and run it. So me enter your name. I am writing my name Rayyan. Then it is asking me how many brother you have. Then I say one brother. You write one brother, okay? Then it's saying me how many sisters you have. I write like 2 sisters. And then what is your father name? I am writing Michael. What is your mother name? I am writing like Jackson. Hi Rayyan, with one brother, 2 sisters, Michael Jackson. And then welcome to the program of Olympics of Programming, like that. If you write different thing, if you write like name John, how many brother? One brother, 2 sister, father name is Michael, mother name is like Jack. Okay, now enter should give me hi John with one brother, 2 sisters, father name is Michael, mother name is Jackie, welcome to the program of the Olympics of Programming, like that it give me, like that you can do it. So in today's video of Python I told you about how to get the user input with input function in Python. So yeah, I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share around, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about any future latest videos about the Python. So now I meet you next class, and next video I'm making a lot of data about videos. So for today, goodbye.